A managed service provider account for LastPass Business provides the managed company's feature to the admin of the primary MSP account. This MSP technician can manage multiple independent company accounts for LastPass from this primary account. It exists at the root level and can access each managed company instance for administrative purposes. The LastPass local admins of each managed company don't have this root level access to the MSP technician's admin console or any of the MSP's data. From the LastPass browser extension, your MSP technician can access the admin console where they will be able to then select MSP and view all the available options. Under Company List, you can find all the managed companies displayed. The Managed Company link on the far right will take us to the admin dashboard for that managed company. Here, it can be managed as a local admin. The MSP technician has the option above to return to the primary account at any time. Now to add a managed company, select Create Managed Company. From Company Properties, we'll name the new managed company, and then we have the option to set a license limit. If we do, we'll be notified when we're close to reaching that limit. We also have the option to add advanced features. Additional charges may apply. Next, for company settings, we can choose default or use a previous company's settings to apply admin levels, groups, or policies to the new company based on which options are checked. When we're done, click Create. As customer accounts require changes, we can modify settings by selecting the managed company and then from the menu, select from the available options. Manage Subscription allows us to make changes to license limits or add and remove advanced features. Some situations may require us to put an account on hold or even separate with them. Using Suspend Company, the company is put on hold and users no longer have premium access to LastPass. A suspended company can be reactivated at any time from the same menu when the managed company is ready to start again. Now, if a client decides to part ways, Detached Company requires us to first name an admin within that organization. Then once detached, the company will get a business trial with all user policies and settings intact. The designated admin will have control over it. As a managed service provider, we can generate a detailed report on services to each of our managed companies under MSP reports. We can generate an executive summary on demand or share with the companies we manage. To generate on demand, first choose the language from the drop-down, then select what managed company we'd like the report for. Once we've selected the company or companies, we can click Generate Report, which will be sent to the email listed. We can also choose to periodically generate and send one automatically to a list of recipients independent of the billing cycle. Simply select from the drop-down what day of the month we wish it to be sent, and then check off which companies should receive it. The company will also need to be in a ready status, so from the shared settings, click Ready to be Sent. Then, from the language drop-down, choose the language for the report. We can also have the report sent to the default list of admins for that account as well as ourselves, or create a custom list. Once you're done, hit Save. In their email, the client will receive a report from LastPass Executive Summary. This email will contain an attached PDF file which they can download and view. The executive summary will look like this, showing the adoption with license used, pending, or expired invitations, and enrollment rate. They'll see the security with the average security score along with a more focused breakdown, and they'll get usage information, such as the active usage rate and shared folders in use. To view and download reports on the cost items of your managed service provider company, go to Billing Reports. This is separated into Billing Reports, an overview of all items for which your MSP account will be charged, and Daily License Count, which details the costs of each company for each day of the selected billing cycle. These can be filtered as necessary through the drop-down menus or calendar to a specific time frame, and then exported as necessary as a CSV file. Last but not least is Insights and Assets. This shows an overview of all your license usage, the security level of your managed company, and has links to useful assets to help you work. It's a great way to review quickly how things are going with your managed companies. Okay, well, that's it. But if you need more help navigating a managed service provider account, you can also check out the Need Help section here and go to our support center at support.lastpass.com.